Good morning, friends. I'm Rhonda, and welcome back to my Potter's Journal and my studio for a Elliot kiln unloading. And this is going to be really quick because all that's in here is mushroom caps and ghosts, but I really want to share the ghosts with you. The kiln's at about 150, and oh, look at that. That is so pretty. I think this is pink pixie, and this is blue hydrangea. And these are going to, of course, become mushroom wind chimes. Let's get this shelf completely out of the way. Because what I really want to show you is down here. Look at, I'm so excited about these guys. They're fabulous and they're fun. Here's one with a chicken on his head. Bluebird. A kitty cat, because, you know. And then I have, and I didn't get these ready in time for Valentine's Day, but that's okay. These are my anti-Valentines. Because, you know, sometimes you're just not feeling it. And this one has polka dot shoes. But he's telling people to get lost. Move these little guys. And I thought this one was really cute. Because we're coming upon this season. And he's like wearing his baseball cap and holding his ball. Get these posts out of the way. And then I had extra space in the kiln. So I added these houses. I put yellow stroke and coat inside some of the windows and stroke and coat on the doors. And then the roof of this is Junebug by Amico because I had some and I'm trying to use up a bottle. It didn't really get all sparkly like it should, but that's okay because it's pretty. And set these over here. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Here's one with a mushroom. One for myself, he's reading a book. Let's see. Specs. What else down here is different? Oh, our little shy guy. He's a Valentine, but he's a little nervous about his acceptance. Here's one with a pumpkin, one with a duck, and one holding a tulip. And then there are just various ones down there with more hearts, and this guy will go in the next. He's an Easter one. He's got his basket and his egg. They're so much fun, and I'm really enjoying making them. And I'm really enjoying the acceptance that I'm getting about these little guys. They're really fun. So thank you for joining me this morning, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you're doing something today that brings you joy, because as you can tell, I am. I'll see you next time.